for the logging business. That might be useful out here. See, I saw her go up in here too. She was nosing around a little doe, eh? She's definitely not an eater of any kind. She's small, but she'll be popping out baby deer next year, so hopefully. Find out what's happening here with my clothes. I did laundry the other day. Yeah, that flew all the way over from that line, all the way over until in front of the yeah, she broke right off. Too heavy, I guess. I hope I'll get away with putting this back on or not. Don't think so, she's too old. Oh, well, maybe. Yeah, it snapped the whole mess off. One thing I will do though is bring in a t-shirt. I need a clean t-shirt. I want to take a shower. I'm gonna need a fresh, I don't know, one of these. I need a fresh towel. Oh, what's going on here? Let go, let go. Ooh, my hands are getting cold. And I need this thing clean too, because the other one's dirty for cleaning my glasses. All right, oop, there we go. Get my clean t-shirt all fucking snowy. Well, it looks like I can do another load of clothes then. Supposed to warm up. Fuck, I love the smell when they've been sitting on the line for a while. Okay, I can't carry anymore, and my right hand is starting to freeze, which means my left hand, which I can't feel, is already frozen. So that's not good. All right, everyone. Well, we'll end this on the. I'm still putting up shorts every day here, pretty much, and I put a load up on Lad from the Woods, and we'll be putting up more stuff for Winterfell Hunt Camp. As I said, the only thing that's going to go up on Winterfell Hunt Camp channel is just strictly hunting and fishing. But it'll also share, you know, if I do something on Lad from the Woods, it's something to do with me fishing or something, well, it might be on both, so it doesn't matter. As long as you guys get to watch it, the ones that want to anyway. Whew. Nothing like my -50 boots. They're so nice and warm. Oh, my cats though turned them into scratch pads, which is concerning, but I didn't think they would scratch them as much as they did. Oh, okay. We'll just throw that over here for now. Time to roll a joint, I think. Oh, school bus just went by. Oh, Bucky's late. 4:30. Oh, maybe he's on his way home. I didn't think of that. Woo! All right, let's. First, we'll have a look at that. Boop, boop. Oh, why is that not? Why is that turned? Okay, it's only supposed to turn on the gimbal. Okay. Are you there? There we are. Okay, let's see what we got here. Won't hurt it to warm up tonight. Definitely I gotta look into one of these better ones like Stefan has. Okay, off and then on. Oh, she's not coming on at all. What's going on here? I just fixed this goddamn thing. Which means it didn't get any pictures likely. Come on, man. What a fucking joke. It's just too old. I've been having a lot of problems with this press batteries in here, and then it doesn't want to come on, which means it probably wasn't working. Yeah, look at that. Batteries could be dead, I don't know. Yeah, nothing. Nothing! God damn it! It's almost pointless to put it out there anymore if it's just going to keep... Okay. I don't know what to tell you. Should be working. Those batteries can't be dead. They're brand fucking new. Okay, it's cold, but it's only 1 Celsius. It's not even... It went down to minus 13 last night, mind you, but... Might have been colder, but that shouldn't have bothered this in the least. No. Don't know what to say. Look at that. Come on, man. Before I throw you across the fucking room. Nope, I can't get her to go. Come on, machine. Or I just throw you the fuck out. One last shot at it, and the batteries will be coming out for good. And this will head to the garbage, and I'll just look at buying a new one for next year. But there's no reason why this shouldn't be working. There you go, folks. This is what I do with electronics that don't fucking stay working. I like... Oh yeah, now you're gonna work, eh, you prick? That little fucking thing flew out of there. Memory card missing. Yeah, no shit. Now it works. There's only one picture. That's because it wasn't working. I don't remember how to fucking delete everything. What's going on here? I want to delete it. Now it's took 2 pictures. Won't let me delete anything now. Delete all files. It took me like fucking 15 hits to do that. No files exist. It says the battery is full. Anyway, you guys saw what I did. I threw it on the ground. Right? Now it's working. Oh, now it's not working. It all lit up, but now there's no screen. Oh, there it is. Well, that was my phone. Well, alright. You can stay in tonight. Wasting my time out there anyway. It's like the 3rd time now that I've gone out there and it's been dead. So, alright. Well, there we go. The other hunt cam is working, but it's in a different place. But that's not my cam. That belongs to Stefan. And he sends me the pictures as soon as it starts giving pictures. But with that deer being all the way up here, I don't know. I'll check that phone for messages. Told Stefan he doesn't get that the deer was right up front here. It won't matter after December 31st, Stefan, for fuck's sakes. Stop trying to spend your money. Apples, you've got 500 pounds of the fucking things. Let's just finish up with those. Jesus. He's a nice guy, but he's, you know, he's a city guy and he's just clueless about so much. But he's a really nice guy. He doesn't get that the fucking, he's like looking at the size of the deer that's coming up to my front door, and I'm like, forget the fucking size of the thing. I don't need a lesson on whether you should shoot those or not. We don't shoot baby deer, or at least young ones. But it's like, you know, he doesn't clue in. It's like, buddy, they're right at my fucking front door. And this is what I told him yesterday. You're feeding them too much. He wants to feed them corn and hay and fuck. You feed them, they're not going to come back. You know, I mean, they'll come back, but they'll come back when they're hungry. But if you're feeding them every day, they're not coming back, you know, after they're full. Like, you understand what I'm trying to say? It's like you got to get them wanting. Anyway, the mouse out there. Look, can you see him? I don't know if you can or not, but he's right there. He's on the right-hand corner up front here. Brave little bugger. He'll be stupid. He'll come in, and the cats will be waiting for him. So, and Goldie is like 10 for 10 or whatever the fuck she's caught so far this fall. She's, well, Goldie the cat, my female cat, she's quite the unit when it comes to catching mice. She knows what she's doing. All right, got the truck ready to go for tomorrow. Fuck, they're even going to take my nice tires off of there. You can't buy those tires anymore. I guess there's a newer version, probably be better, but anyway. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that sunshine mix. I don't really want to bring the whole bag in here without it being protected somehow, and I really don't have the room in the back here. God damn it. Hey cats, what do you think, guys? Maybe I should just fill the cups outside. Just hope water don't get into it. That's the thing that would worry me the most, because it's $37 for that bale. Alright, well, let's go out and t-shirt. I'll bring you guys with me because it looks like I still have time on this thing. It says it's in the red now, but there's lots of power. Oh, there's 7 minutes left, so I can do this really fast. Not smart to go out on my flip-flops and end up fucking falling down. I gotta find my snow shovel. I know I put it up somewhere. So yeah, sunshine mix number 4. Oh, don't lose them fucking scissors. And this can go back over top of here. The sink is still sitting out here. Greg is not back until October. Sorry, October, will you fucking listen to me? He's not back here till January, because, you know, family shit, and, you know, he's hunting, and, I mean, he may come here and ice fish with me, but he's not going to be doing any work here until we put off the work until next, to this January, when he's back. Jesus. Well, this may well be, oh yeah, it's frozen. What am I talking about? There's no way I'm going to get that out of there. Well, I guess I'm going to bring it in. I got the big plastic jug I can put it in. God damn it. It's my camping, not jug, but, you know, big blue thing. What is this? Oh, I know what you are. Okay. Well, there we go. Get the snow off of it. It's still wet inside. I don't understand that. It's been upside down for like 4 months. Anyway, I'll bring this inside. And then I'll try and carry that big fucking sunshine mix. Now I wish I hadn't cut it open. Sorry, cats. That's another thing now. I have to bring that tap in because with that in there, I'm not gonna, you know, open it up and spread it in there. I'm just gonna put the big plastic thing in there. But Blackie's moving. It's like, yeah, you better move, buddy. This is not what I wanted. This is definitely not what I had in mind. Okay. That van should head out to the shed. We've got some warm days coming up now, so you know. All right. Start a load of laundry, maybe. There we go. Move this fucking radiator heater. What's this thing sitting on here? Something heavy. Come on. There we go. All right, that's not too bad. Now it's carrying that big fucker up. It's heavy. I could barely carry it off the truck. I'm not supposed to be lifting heavy shit like that with my heart. Or my stents, not my heart. Although, my latest tests from the doctors came out good. My EKGs, all that shit. My sugar's down to, like my A1Cs they call it, is 6.1. All right, I'll see if I can carry this up. Where's my gloves? They're here. Look, I gotta buy some new work gloves. My yellow ones finally bit the dust. All right, let's see if I can do this.